I told you to keep your rusty balls out of my truck.
Well, golly, you ain't gotta throw them. Come on, little guys. How we gonna pull this trailer?
Only gold balls are going in my truck from here on out. This one has a 6-inch drop. This one has a medium and a large, but who likes the small one anyway? Tighten this screw here, and these bushings will keep it from rattling. You get a locking pin with keys. This is not your typical hollow hitch. This has a solid shaft all the way through. This hitch has a GVWR of 20,000 pounds. I'm going to drop you a link right down here below. Y'all go check them out. You're not going to believe how affordable this hitch is.